What's up guys? In this tutorial, you are going to be learning how to deposit and withdraw from your account both in cryptocurrency and also in your stock account. You are also going to learn how to transfer funds from your stock account to your cryptocurrency account. And lastly, I'm going to make you understand the concept of good faith violation and how to avoid them, because if you don't avoid them, it will affect your future trading. If this interests you, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Toby, True Bruce. On this channel, I review and talk about trading and investing apps. I teach trading and investing strategies and also give trade recommendations. If this interests you, consider hitting the subscribe button so you can be the first person to see our next video. Links to related videos and link to our growing Telegram community are in the description. And also, if you are interested in signing up with this broker, there is link in the description.
The first thing you want to do when you log in is to add fund to your account. Click on the transfer button down here with the arrow sign. Here, you click on deposit. You can see you can deposit your stock account or your crypto account. If you click on add to crypto account, here when we deposit in crypto, you can withdraw in crypto. You can send the money back to our stock account to withdraw in dollars or in naira. But let's click on add funds to stock account. Here there are three options, and the most applicable is the bank transfer because orders take 5 days. You can see the dollar equivalent, so you can factor that when you want to input your amount. Let's deposit 20,000 naira. You can see equivalent amount in dollar, which is $34. Click on down and click on continue. It will generate your account number.
So, I will copy the account number, then proceed to my banking app to transfer the amount into this account.
In crypto buying power, you can transfer money to your crypto buying power from your stock account. And quickly, for you to do that, you just click on the transfer here. We click on deposit fund. Then you will click on add money to crypto accounts. Here you can deposit to crypto account. If you click on BTC for example, then you can see that you just scan this place or copy your wallet as the case may be,
and proceed to your online crypto wallet to transfer funds into this copied address.
And also, in case you have the money in stock and all what you just want to do is to transfer, you can click on move fund. Then you can click on whichever account you want to move. Select the amount you want to transfer into the crypto trading account. Let's say you want to move $50. Then we'll click on continue. Then it's telling us here that money is only going to be processed when the US stock market is open, and the US stock market opens in Nigeria at 2:30 p.m. and also close at 9 p.m. West African time. When you accept this condition, you click on OK. Then you move this slider to start processing. This may take up to 3 days. But since I don't want to send money, I will move the slider. So let's return the slider. So to withdraw fund from your account, just click on this withdrawal. Then you will select from which account do you want to withdraw from. Let's select from stock because we have some money in stock accounts. Then we will click on the account that is available here. Then we will put the amount you want to withdraw. Say the $30 we deposited the other time. Then when we are okay with the exchange rate, then we will move the slider to accept the conditions that are here. But because I'm not withdrawing from this account, I will leave the slider. I won't move it. This may take up 3 business days, but actually it takes shorter than that. So, having said all that, let's move back into the account segment. Now, you know how to transfer into your crypto account and you know how to deposit fund into crypto accounts. So, after depositing fund into your account, it will appear in your stock buying power. Stock buying power is the amount you have at hand to buy stock immediately or to withdraw. While stock cash settling is the amount you are expecting from the sales of stock you just made. Although you can use this amount to make purchases, like you can use the amount to buy stocks too, but you have to hold on to that stock until stock cash settling gets settled into your stock buying power. Failure for you to wait before the cash settling power gets settled
and you sell
the other one you bought, then you will be issued with faith violation. And good faith violation, you have 3 of it in a year. And when you exhaust the whole 3, your account will be restricted to only using the money in your stock buying power to buy stocks. You have to wait for 90 days for the restriction or for the sanction to be over. I generally advise people not to have this violation
because there might be some quick purchases you may want to do, but you'll be restricted.
Now, let me explain this good faith violation properly using an example. You just sold stock A
and the money is yet to get deposited in your account.
Instead of you waiting for the sales of stock A to get settled into your stock buying power, you use the money of the unsettled cash to buy stock B. When you bought stock B, instead of you to wait for the sales you made initially, which was stock A in which you sold, to be settled, you didn't allow 2 days to pass. Then you bought stock B and you sold stock B within that 2 days. When you do this, you will be issued good faith violation.
This series on Passfolio took me a whole lot of time to put together, and if you have gained any value in this video, please hit the like button and also comment it down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because all this will help me to push this video more to a wider audience. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.